Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make layered custard. First, gather your ingredients: milk, eggs, sugar, and flavorings like vanilla. Begin by whisking egg yolks and sugar until pale and creamy. Gently warm the milk in a saucepan until it just simmers. Carefully temper the warm milk into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to prevent the eggs from scrambling. This ensures a smooth base for your delicious dessert. Once tempered, return the custard mixture to the saucepan and cook over low heat, stirring continuously. The custard is ready when it thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon, reaching about 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Strain the cooked custard through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl to remove any small lumps, ensuring a perfectly smooth consistency. Cover the surface with plastic wrap to prevent a skin, then chill thoroughly for at least 2 hours. To create distinct layers, divide your chilled custard into separate bowls. Infuse each portion with different flavors, perhaps chocolate, coffee, or a hint of citrus zest. Pour the first fully chilled and flavored custard layer into your chosen serving dish. Allow this layer to set completely in the refrigerator before gently adding the next chilled and flavored layer on top. Repeat this process for all desired layers, building a beautiful dessert. After all your layers are set, it's time for the final touches. You can garnish your beautiful layered custard with fresh berries, a sprinkle of cocoa powder, or a dollop of freshly whipped cream. For the best flavor and texture, allow the entire dessert to chill in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or even overnight before serving. This ensures all the flavors meld perfectly. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.